Today I'm going to be talking about why I think you should always have a valid visa. Now, when I'm talking about a valid visa, of course, I'm talking about the strong countries. Now, what are these countries? You know, the US visa, the UK visa, the Schengen visa, sometimes the Canadian visa. These are considered really strong countries. Now, why they're strong? For obvious reasons, and also because of the rigorous process, you know, required to actually obtain a visa. Now, particularly if you're a Nigerian passport holder and then you have applied to some of for visas, you would agree with me that these countries that I mentioned are very strict regarding issuing visas. All those countries do give long-term visas. Now, the reason why I advise that you should always have a valid visa. What do I mean by that? Even when you don't plan to travel immediately, the moment your visa is about to expire or expires, apply to renew it and then just keep it there. You say, oh, I'm not ready to travel. Renew it and hold. The reason why I'm saying so is because there are other countries, which I would call smaller countries, that would give you access, you know, to their country visa free once you have this, you know, other visas. Now, what practically they are telling you is, oh, well, if you've gone to the US, you've gone to the UK, and they've screened you and found you worthy, come, we will let you in. Now, most of them always require that even though you have a visa, there must be evidence that you have used the visa to that country. Now, if you have a US visa, there must be an entry stamp, meaning the US gave you the visa and then admitted you into their country. So they want to see that, oh yes, US thought you were good enough. You went and then you came back. If you came back from the US, then you will not want to stay in our country. If you did not escape in the US, then we can let you in. So you see where I'm going with this. Now, if you have, let's say you have, I'm telling you this from experience because I'm a Nigerian passport holder and I require visas to visit most countries of the world, like even countries in Africa. But I have visited more countries because I always had a valid, you know, visa, you know, with me. Like some of the countries, I can name them. I have been to Mexico. You know, I used my US visa. I have been to Serbia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, Turkey at the time. I think Turkey has suspended theirs, you know, for now. Now, Egypt, you know, I didn't even realize that Egypt had started. Now, if you do have any of those visas, Egypt will let you in, you know. There is Belize, there's Panama, there's Costa Rica. And then recently I was reading about it. I realized that Qatar too, you know, Qatar too, you know, I saw the same visa, substituted visa requirement on their website. Now, you are able to apply for an e-visa, you know, if you have that. And I think it's pretty good enough because it's like what Turkey used to do before. So if you have like any of those visas, Qatar will probably allow you apply for an e-visa. Now, I saw it online. I haven't tried Qatar yet, but of course I'm going to try it, you know, in the near future, just to let you know that it actually works. But this is information that I got online now. But the other ones, I have visited them and then it works. Even Jamaica too, you know, would allow you, if you join a cruise, you know, to go to their country visa free if you're part of a cruise. And then I've been to Cuba too. With my US visa, I just got a tourist card, you know, just based on, you know, just because I have that US visa. So you can imagine a number of countries that you can visit. So thank you very much and have a good day.